Ahoy! My name is Dunce. Today we're going to be talking about some basic fundamental aspects of the game. Gun arcs and crew dynamic. To start, we're going to be checking out the gun arcs of the Manticore Heavy Hwacha. It is the most popular heavy gun. You might see it on most of the heavy gun emplacements. It has a 30-degree horizontal arc and a 20-degree vertical arc. Any targets outside of that cone of arc will not be able to be targeted by the Hwacha. Its primary damage is explosive, which does bonus damage to hull, also known as the HP. Its secondary damage is shatter, so it's disabling guns and engines, does bonus damage to components. It has a reload speed of 12 seconds, and every gun has a page like this in the manual. If you're interested in checking out what all the arcs are, I suggest you investigate that. As every gun has a different set of arcs, every gun has a different set of damage types. Some are good against balloon, some are good against hull, some are good against nothing but enemy HP, and deal reduced damage in every other situation. You know, it depends on what you're going to be doing. As far as crew dynamic goes, the crews will spend most of their time functioning on board the deck of the ship. Every ship is different. We have some very interesting ships. Some move faster, some have more HP, some have more guns on different locations and are used for different things. It's really interesting, the different variety of ships that we have to choose from. All the ships can be used in short or long range capacities depending on which guns that you put on them. And it's cool to just go ahead and toy around with it and play because we have all these different choices. It's neat. Crews will spend most of their time on the different ships, and so harder ships can be, say, more difficult to maintain and repair. You might notice that the Goldfish is an easy mode ship. Reason being is its hull armor is right here in a very central location. The hull armor is the shield that protects our HP. It's what needs to be damaged and destroyed before we start taking HP damage. It's pretty fun like that, actually. So it's basically the priority one of engineering a ship. That's a little tip for you. But the captains, however, we spend the bulk of our time on the map. We want to make sure that we're behind the wheel, being helpful to our team. We want to make sure that we are always doing something team-oriented, because if even one person on our ally team, enemy team, anybody isn't doing their job, we are not able to function as an effective gunship. And that's a real problem for everybody. So make sure that you use really proper teamwork out there, and it won't be a problem. And to that end, I gotta tell you, it's never an engineer's fault that you die. The engineers tried as hard as they could, but the enemy gunner was just a little bit better. Keep that in mind. Your engineers are your friend. The enemies are the enemies. I'll see you out there.